If you're looking for the best waxing kits, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Jiggy Brazilian Hair Removal Waxing Kit. This kit comes with a hard wax that has the gentle, luxurious feel of a soft wax without sacrificing the professional level results in the strip-free removal process. It's both beginner-friendly and suitable for professional use. The kit includes a well-designed warmer pot, nearly a pound of Jiggy's unique hard wax, pre- and post-wax sprays, 30 applicator sticks, and an instructional video. The video is a great addition for first-time home waxers. It provides complete instructions for using this waxing kit and demonstrates it so that you can see what you're supposed to do. The warmer pot comes with a lid that helps to speed up the warming process so that your wax is ready to use in under 30 minutes. Then, it features two helpful indicator lights. The red light shows that the pot is on and in the process of heating your wax. The green light tells you when it's reached the right temperature. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Belver Waxing Kit. This is a very cost-effective wax kit that would be a great pick for first-time waxers who aren't yet sure they want to commit to a more expensive brand or to waxing in general. You get plenty of wax to start, so you'll be able to go through the trial and error of learning how to wax without feeling like you're pouring money down the drain if you make a mistake. The Belver Waxing Kit includes a well-built warmer pot, a generous supply of lavender-scented hard wax, 20 applicator sticks, and the pre- and post-wax sprays. While most kits will include just a few ounces of wax as a sample of the brand's formula, this kit comes with 5 bags, totaling more than a pound of hard wax. This means you've got everything you need for a full body wax right out of the box if that's what you want to do. The number 3 position is held by Tress Wellness Hair Removal Wax Kit. This complete kit comes with all the essentials plus some extra items and a generous supply of wax, so you're ready to go as soon as your order arrives. This kit includes the warmer pot, protective paper collars, 5 sample pouches of hard wax, pre- and post-wax sprays, 5 pairs of gloves, and 30 applicator sticks. The warmer pot has a precision temperature dial and a digital display. This takes all the guesswork out of the process. The dial lets you set the temperature you're aiming for and the display tells you what the current temperature is. This makes it so easy to know precisely when the wax is at a safe temperature to apply to your skin. Next at number 4 we have Yeelen Waxing Kit. This Yeelen Waxing Kit comes with the essentials you'll need to start waxing at home. The hard wax is suitable for all areas, and the warmer pot can be used with any hard wax if you decide to try another brand. Yeelen includes a large capacity warmer pot, 4 pouches of hard wax, and 20 applicator sticks. The warmer pot has a precision temperature control dial and an indicator light. Our biggest issue with this kit is that the advertisement claims that it comes with pre- and post-wax sprays. However, in the actual details, it says that these are no longer included. So, you will need to have a cleanser and moisturizer ready before you start waxing. The number 5 position is held by Kitamu Hair Removal Waxing Kit. This professional quality waxing kit is a great pick for the experienced home waxer who's ready to get a better warmer pot and try out some of Kitamu's luxurious hard wax formulas. The kit includes the wax, warmer pot, and applicator sticks. The pot can hold a generous 500 ml or 14 ounces of wax at one time, making it a great choice for those who plan to do full body waxing sessions. The precision temperature control dial can heat wax up to 204 degaf or as low as 106 degaf. It also has a red indicator light to let you know when the wax has reached your desired temperature. The number 6 position is dominated by Veet Sugar Wax Hair Remover. This soft wax from Veet is a safe alternative to hard wax that's more beginner-friendly and gentle on even the most sensitive skin. The warm vanilla scent and essential oil blend make the process more soothing and relaxing. The Veet Sugar Wax Kit includes 8.45 oz of wax, a reusable spatula, and 12 fabric strips. The wax can be microwaved or heated in boiling water, so it doesn't need a warmer pot. While the spatula has a temperature indicator on the end that is supposed to change color to indicate when the wax is at a safe-to-use temperature, we find this isn't the most reliable. You should, instead, just test it by applying a tiny dot of wax to the inside of your wrist when you think it might be at a safe temperature. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Waxup Honey Roller Waxing Kit. This roll-on soft wax is a great kit for beginners. It takes all the guesswork out of what temperature to use and how much wax to apply so you can avoid some of the most common rookie mistakes of DIY waxers. The kit comes with an electric handheld warmer, 2 wax cartridges, cloth waxing strips, and an after wax oil. You insert a wax cartridge and allow it to warm to the right temperature. Then, you roll the wax onto a clean fabric strip to create a solid layer of the perfect thickness and width. Immediately apply this strip to your skin and let it sit for 15-20 seconds before removing. The number 8 position is held by Neds Brazilan and Bikini Wax Kit. Neds is well known for their waxing kits, and this one specifically for your bikini area is no different. With nearly 1,500 reviews, the product clearly has lifetime fans. The peach and mango scent doesn't hurt either. The kit includes microwavable hard wax, post-wipe calming oil wipes, and 2 applicators, no strips necessary. One reviewer said, "This product is amazing. It's easy to use and actually hurts way less than going to the salon for a professional wax," which I was pleasantly surprised with. I have highly sensitive skin, to the point where I can't even use a razor or I'll have atrocious chicken skin for weeks, and this left my skin silky smooth. No irritation at all. Next at number 9 we have Avishon Wax Strips. The face tends to be more sensitive than legs or arms, so finding a product that lessens the pain factor is vital for winning this category. Shoppers raved over how minimal the ouch was, and, while not designed for the face, the strips are easy to cut to whatever size or shape you need. The strips are made from beeswax and jojoba seed oil, so they're gentle enough for sensitive skin. It only takes 3 seconds to fall in love with this product. Well, okay, you'll feel pain and then relief because you won't have to worry about peach fuzz on your face. Reeves this Amazon customer, "I love that this does not require a microwave. It can be used literally anywhere. All you do is warm the strips between your hands for about 15 seconds. Pull the strips apart and bam, you're ready to wax. I'm 100% satisfied and will be ordering again soon." Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Jiggy Microwave Hair Removal Wax. Jiggy is a fan favorite for many mamas that take part in at-home waxing. This particular all-purpose set comes with microwavable soft wax, 20 muslin strips, 10 large and 10 small, and 10 applicators. I have never waxed myself before and was very nervous. I was shocked at how less painful it was compared to getting it done at my usual place, which is highly reputable, said one happy customer. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.